Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to create multiple filters in pivot table. Okay, the data what I have is the product records and its corresponding sales. Okay, product, customer, category, country, and the sales for January, February, March, and April. Okay, I have about 277 records. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will select those full data set. This is my source data, and I am going to create a pivot table. Then I will show to you how to include multiple filters. Okay, I selected the source data of 277 records. The first row is the header. Then what I am going to do is I select insert pivot table. It will ask me choose the data that you want to analyze. Select a table or range. This is my source data. I already selected the source data, so the selection is coming here by default. Then choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. I want the pivot table to be placed in the new worksheet. Okay, so I just put it in new worksheet and press OK. So it created a new worksheet, and the worksheet has one in the left hand side there is a pivot table area, and the right hand side is the pivot table fields of selection. Okay, in this pivot table area what we are going to have is the pivot table to be created here. Okay, the pivot table report is going to appear here, and the pivot table fields pane will help you to select the fields and whether the fields to be in row wise or column wise, or what is the summarized value, the calculator value inside, and also the filters. Okay, so all this can be designed by the pivot table fields pane. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to just include the product in row wise. Okay, once I include that, it is coming with the products. Okay, after that what I am going to do is I am going to count the product, or probably I am going to sum the sales of January. Okay, once you do this, you can also see a row filter is available here to select any product you want. Okay, and the sums of sales of January. Okay, this filter is already there for any column, whatever column you select it for rows as well as for column wise. See, I selected the category as column wise, also a filter for column label which is category, new or old. Okay, so this is the row wise filter, row filter, and the column filter is already available for you when you select the fields. Okay, now I am going to select a report filter. Report filter is on country. So report filter area is this, and I selected the report filter. And the report filter, you see all the countries are available. Okay, which is the country filter. So this way you can use the multiple filters in a report, pivot table report. Okay, you can also have another thing, customer to the another filter, so you can play with the multiple filter. Now you have a country as well as the customer. You can select multiple items also for customer. Okay, so you have a country, customer, and products, and this one is a category. Okay, this helps you on pivot tables. So in the pivot tables you have multiple of filters can be used. For now only thing is, if you want to use this category as a report filter also, so I just leave the category at column, and again I put the category in the report filter, but it removes from the column wise. So this is the only restriction you have it in filters, that when you use a report filters multiple times, that report filter cannot be a row filter or a column wise filter. Okay, so you cannot have the column wise. Okay, so you must decide which is the suitable part for a particular field to be in a report filter or in a column wise data or row wise data. Okay, this way you can use the multiple filters in your report to help you to filter out for any type of records. Okay, now you have also the, when you have the filter, you can see wherever the filter is applied there is a filter sign. If there is no filter, all the records are selected, then you will see only the down arrow. Okay, so you want to clear the filter whatever is applied earlier, clear filter from the product. Okay, this way you can use multiple filters in a pivot table. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please press the Alan Sam button on the screen now and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss any of my videos. And give your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.